The 2025 Chevrolet Traverse is here, and it's redefining the mid-size SUV market with its bold new design, upgraded technology, and more powerful engine. If you're looking for space, performance, and cutting-edge features, this SUV is built for you. Chevrolet has given the Traverse a complete makeover, making it more rugged and modern. The front grille is larger, the LED headlights are slimmer, and the body has a more sculpted look, giving it a commanding road presence. It's inspired by Chevrolet's larger SUVs, like the Tahoe and Silverado, making it look tougher and more refined than ever before. Under the hood, the 2025 Traverse gets a major power upgrade. The previous V6 engine has been replaced by a turbocharged 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine, producing 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque. This makes it one of the most powerful SUVs in its class. The 8-speed automatic transmission provides smooth power delivery, while front-wheel drive is standard and all-wheel drive is available. With a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, it's perfect for hauling trailers, boats, or campers. Inside, the Traverse has been completely modernised. The highlight of the interior is the massive 17.7-inch touchscreen, one of the largest in its class. It comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to connect your smartphone. The fully digital driver display adds a high-tech feel, providing key vehicle information in a customizable format. Comfort remains a top priority, with seating for up to 8 passengers. The second-row captain's chairs, available on higher trims, reduce seating to 7, but offer more comfort and easy third-row access. Cargo space is best in class, with up to 98 cubic feet available when the seats are folded down. A hands-free power liftgate now comes standard on higher trims, making loading and unloading easier than ever. For 2025, the Traverse comes in 4 trims: LS, LT, Z, 71 and RS. The new Z 71 trim is designed for off-road adventures, featuring all-terrain tyres, an off-road tuned suspension, and increased ground clearance. The RS trim brings a sportier look with black exterior accents, 22-inch wheels, and a unique grille design, making it stand out on the road. Safety has been significantly improved, with Chevy Safety Assist now standard across all trims. This includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, front pedestrian detection, and a following distance indicator. Higher trims offer adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera, and GM's Super Cruise, a hands-free driving system that works on over 400,000 miles of highways across North America. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Traverse offers a smooth, refined ride with improved handling. The new twin-clutch all-wheel drive system enhances traction, making it capable of handling slippery conditions. Whether you're commuting or heading out for a road trip, the ride quality remains comfortable and composed. Technology is a major highlight, with wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a premium Bose audio system available on higher trims. The voice command system has been improved, allowing drivers to control navigation, climate settings, and media with simple voice prompts. For families, the Traverse is packed with convenient features. The rear seat reminder alert ensures you don't forget anything in the back. The digital rear-view mirror provides a clear view behind the vehicle, even with a full load of passengers. The traffic sign recognition system helps keep drivers aware of speed limits and road conditions. Second-row seats slide forward easily, making access to the third row effortless. Fuel economy has slightly improved despite the power boost. The 2025 Traverse is expected to deliver around 22 miles per gallon combined, which is decent for a vehicle of this size. While not the most fuel-efficient SUV in its class, its power and towing capability make up for it. How does the 2025 Traverse compare to its competitors? Against the Ford Explorer, Honda Pilot, and Toyota Grand Highlander, it stands out with its powerful turbocharged engine, massive touchscreen, and class-leading cargo space. The Ford Explorer offers a rear-wheel drive platform, which some drivers prefer, but the Traverse delivers more power and better standard features. The Honda Pilot has a premium interior, but it doesn't match the Traverse in towing capacity or infotainment size. The Toyota Grand Highlander is a strong competitor with a hybrid option, but it lacks the rugged off-road capabilities of the Traverse Z71. For those looking for a balanced SUV that offers power, technology, and practicality, the 2025 Traverse is one of the best options available. It continues to be a top choice for families who need a spacious 3-row SUV with strong towing capabilities and advanced safety features. Key highlights of the 2025 Chevrolet Traverse: turbocharged 2.5-litre engine with 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque massive, 17.7-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available GM Super Cruise for hands-free driving. 4 trims, including the all-new off-road focused Z71 best-in-class cargo space with up to 98 cubic feet. Chevy Safety Assist standard on all trims, 5,000 pound towing capacity for trailers and boats. Overall, Chevrolet has done an outstanding job improving the Traverse in every aspect. It's more powerful, more high-tech, and more versatile than ever before. If you need a 3-row SUV that can handle daily commutes, long road trips, and off-road adventures, the 2025 Traverse is an excellent choice. What do you think of the 2025 Chevrolet Traverse? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Stay tuned for the next one.